This 3-layer veg avocado sandwich is delicious and brings you the flavor of India. We will start with the filling first. For stuffing, we need 2 boiled potatoes. Mash them well. Mix chopped onions, green pepper and tomatoes. Add 1 green chili and chopped cilantro. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Chaat masala is an Indian ingredient. You can easily find it at any Indian grocery store or look in the description below. Mix this well and keep aside. Now we'll prepare avocado spread. Mix diced avocado with dill leaves and onions. Add some salt and pepper. Mix well until you get a spread consistency. Now we'll prepare green chutney or salsa. For this we'll take a handful of mint leaves, 1 inch ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 medium spicy green chilies, a bunch cilantro. You can add more cilantro as per the quantity you want to prepare. Add 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, half tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon salt, water 2 to 3 tablespoons. Grind these ingredients well. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and mix again. Green chutney for sandwich is ready. Now we'll prepare sandwich. Spread unsalted butter on 3 slices of bread. I have taken whole wheat bread. You can also take white bread or bread of your choice. After applying butter on the bread, we'll apply the green chutney that we have prepared at home on all the 3 slices. Apply potato stuffing on one bread in good quantity, spread it evenly. And on the second slice, apply homemade avocado spread. Add pepper jack cheese. You can substitute this with American cheese or cheese of your choice. And now prepare 3-decker sandwich as shown in the video. Finally, roast the sandwich from both the sides on a hot pan using butter. You can use a lid that will roast our sandwich better. Roast it until it turns crispy and brown. Remove from the pan and serve hot. This sandwich tastes delicious and is a must try. Let me know in the comment below if you like it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.